Caution, deliberate daily habits can make you lucky and help make your dreams come true. If you don't know me, I'm Rhonda Dillard, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, where we work to unlock the secrets behind manifesting using intentional reality. I want to share with you my step-by-step process along with simple daily habits to help you manifest abundance in your life without complicated or difficult strategies. A few years ago, I was going through a really tough time in my life and I needed a change, a way to work through my problems, as well as put me on a path to an extraordinary way of living. I was tired of being angry and unhappy, so I decided I wanted to learn how to manifest things I want and need to improve my life. And I did a lot of research and I found 3 incredibly effective habits that all of the most successful people I had studied used every day. And these simple habits fueled my manifesting success. And now I want to help you do the same. Something I paid very close attention to while learning about their way of doing things is that if they were successful with money, were they also successful in their life? More than anything, were they happy? If so, how did they get there? And how do they maintain their success? I discovered those 3 habits that every single one of them practice every day. And I've revealed those habits with a bonus for you that all of these people practice without fail in my free must-have guide to manifesting. Want to know how those uber rich and happy people manifested their success? Get your free guide and start on your journey with me. I'll put the link in the description of this video for you. The first habit is gratitude, and I cannot say enough good things about its power. It's about so much more than saying thank you. I have tons of videos about gratitude, and I'll put the link to them below. The secret behind it, how it works, why it works, and how it can work for you, plus lots of suggestions and ways to work it into your day-to-day living. And very recently, I've started exploring the habit of meditation there as well. So please go take a look at those videos. I hope they give you lots of insight into these powerful habits. Let's face it, you want an extraordinary life too, or you wouldn't be here right now with me. You're tired of the stress and the unhealthy atmosphere that most of this world provides us, and you're looking to make a change. You've probably heard of manifestation, but you're not real clear what it is. You don't know how or why it works. You just know it's a buzzword, a positive word in the world today, and you want to know how it works and if it can work for you. That's where I come in. You see, I've done the research for you, and I've uncovered a very simple step-by-step plan to manifest the things I wanted and needed. And if you're interested in making a positive change, if you're looking for a way to make your life better, to actually live your dreams, you're in the right place. The very first step to manifestation is to figure out what you want, big or small, and make a decision that you want to go for it. Like Zig Ziglar said, you can't hit a target that you can't see, right? And if you don't have a clue what your dream life looks like, go check out my Intentional Reality Masterclass, Unlock Your Dream Lifestyle. This video, along with the 75-page workbook that accompanies it, can lead you through the thought process, focusing on your passions and talents to find that hidden dream and put you straight on its path. I'll put the link to the masterclass below for you. The second step is to use your imagination. It will show you the path, how you can get to your dream. And then write down the plan your imagination has given you and work on the plan. Do something that will get you closer to your dream every day. Now, you might be feeling like this is just a repeat for every goal class that you've ever had, right? But those classes don't usually include this next step. Last, but certainly not least, you must believe and be grateful that you already have what you're dreaming of. It's already yours and you can see it when you close your eyes. We call this gratitude in advance, and I fully explain it in a series of videos I'll link below. Go take a look. I can't wait to tell you what's going to happen when you put all of this into action. But we need to go one step further to secure your success. From all this research, I've developed a routine through some trial and error, and learned how to use these steps to become consistent with manifesting the things I want and need. I simply call it the daily manifesting routine, and it contains daily habits that you can incorporate into your busy life to get anything you want. So now it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty with you. Let me show you how you can use those habits daily, those habits that have given me such success with manifesting things I want. Not to mention all the peace and joy that I've been gifted through this very simple way of doing things. I want to show you how to make them a routine. simply practicing daily. And once you start practicing these super positive and powerful habits of gratitude, meditation, and visualization, your life will change. You'll have so much more peace. Your mind will quiet down. The stress will feel like it's melting away. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. See, your mind is so full of negative thoughts, we need to do something to counter those debilitating feelings that we develop from those thoughts. Crowd them out, replace them with positive thoughts and vibes, right? The daily manifesting routine consists of those 3 crucial habits I told you about through meditation mantras and focused intentional visualization in the morning and the evening, repeating a daily affirmation and responding to a thought-provoking journal prompt. Then we throw in some gratitude with an easy daily directive to cultivate a mindset of appreciation and abundance, not to mention boost your confidence and enhance your overall well-being. And that's it. Be sure and get your daily manifesting routine every single day and join me at noon for my live at lunch most weekdays for a chance to get all of your questions answered and a more in-depth look at these daily habits, along with more information about how you can learn to manifest everything you want and need. And definitely don't forget to get your free copy of my must-have guide to manifesting that shares much more about the habits that we need for success. Also, join our Ambitious Manifestors group to learn with other like-minded people like yourself. Hit that subscribe bell as I put a new video out right here every Thursday, and go take a look at my over 250 short